We'll complete the Hari Shabda. So yesterday we began doing Hari Shabda. Uh, what is Hari Shabda, by the way? Just
Vamana E and U at the ending of a word.
okay, yeah. So E U Ramanto Hari Sangya. So अद्य वयं Hari Shabdasya सप्तमी विभक्तौ रूपं करिष्यामः निर्माणं करिष्यामः. Yeah, I wish to do classes in Sanskrit. Very nice would be. Okay. So 7.1 सप्तमी विभक्तेः एकवचनम्. So Hari Shabda, the pratyaya is me, right? We did till 6.3. So Harito Unger Ouch. After Hari Shabda, me is replaced by ouch. So AU, au, and the cha is the indicator letter. Cha iti anubandha. That's anubandha it. Now, there is one Sangya Sutra here. Antya Sarveshwar Adi Varanaha Sansara Sangya. The last Varnas beginning with the final Sarveshwara are called Sansara. So this Sangya is called Sansara. Sansara basically means uh, if like there is a word and the last Sarveshwara onwards is called Sansara. Last Sarveshwara of the word onwards is called Sansara. For example, if I take the word Rama, what is the last Sarveshwara here? That's quickly
A.
Arama. So that's Arama. So this Arama will be called Sansara here. Okay. Now, if I have the word, let's say Jagat. Now, what is the last Sarveshwara here?
Uh,
This no Sarveshwara. I'm saying.
oh,
No
Uh,
Sarveshwara. Yeah. Okay,
no,
okay.
we have
Huh.
I mean, last in the sense sequence wise. So we have the second and then the last Sarveshwara and anything which follows that, including that also. So and the so this is Sansara in Jagat. Got it?
yes.
Sansara. So this is called Sansara. Antya Sarveshwara Adi Varanaha Sansara Sangyaha. Then Sansarasya Haraschiti. The Sansara is deleted when a pratyaya which has the indicative letter cha follows. So basically this sutra says that if we have any suffix, any pratyaya following which has the indicative letter cha, like in this case we have ouch, which has the indicative letter cha. So we will delete the sansara of the prakriti, of the root word. So the sansara of Hari is E Rama and ouch is there, having the cha Rama as indicatory. So we delete the E. So we get Harau. Yasya deve parabhaktir, yatha deve, tatha. Okay, that is Guru, similar to this one. That is Ukarant, and this is Ikarant, but same declension. Harau. I think Harava Bhaktasya Kuto Mahatguna, right? In Bhagavatam, Harava Bhaktasya Kuto Mahatguna. So if you see there, that is actually Harau. Au Av, Sandhi Sutra. In Hari, so Harau Abhaktasya, one who is not a devotee of Hari, literally it is one who is not devoted, one who has no devotion in Hari. Harau Abhaktasya. Of him, Kuto Mahatguna, where will be the qualities in such a person who is not a devotee of Lord Hari. So Harau. Okay, I hope that's clear. Then 7.26 same like 6.2. Hariyo. 7.3 Hari plus Sup. So we just combine it. And then Ishvara Harimitra Karamangebhya Pratyavritti Sasyasho 108. Sa becomes Sha and we get Harishu. And then Sambodhana Hari plus Su. So Harer Govindo Jasi Buddhe Harer Govindo Jasi Vrishnishu Buddhecha. We did that sutra, right? Yesterday. The Govinda Sutra. So there are three paranimittas. If a Vrishni follows, then Govinda takes place in Hari Shabda. If Jas follows, then Govinda takes place. And third was if Buddha follows, then also Govinda takes place. If you see the sutra. So Sambodhane Sur Buddha Sangya, the Su is Buddha, 8.1. So we will do Govinda. So it will be Hare plus Su. And then Eo Vamanebhyo Buddhasya Darshanam. That was previously done, sutra. After A Rama, O Rama, or after a Vamana, Buddha gets deleted. So we have A Rama here. So after A, Su is deleted. So we get Hare. Hey Hare. Hey Hare. So from Hari we get Hare, and actually from Hara also we get Hare. Like in Mahamantra, I was actually listening to some like non-Gaudiya philosophers. So they were saying that in Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare refers to Hari and not to Hara or some Radharani. They were saying that technically speaking, it is Hari only, and we are addressing to Hari, O Krishna, O Rama. And and then they were like, he was also mentioning that those in the line of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he was talking about us Gaudiyas, that we take Hare as the origin to be Hara, and Hara referring to Radharani, but he kind of didn't accept that. I mean, he just mentioned it, but he didn't accept. Anyhow, so this Hare is for Hari, and then the Hare Krishna Hare, as per our acharyas, Mahaprabhu, Hare is Radharani. So, yeah. Okay. And then 8.2 and 8.3, same like 1.2, 1.3. Hari and Haraya. So the table goes like this. Hari, Hari, Harayah, Harim. Be ready. I'll ask you to make sentences from here. Harin, Harina, Haribhyam. See, I forgot the class. So now you yourselves have invited the trouble. So be ready. Haribhi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, Harehe, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, Hariyo, Hari, sorry. No. Harehe, Hariyo, Harishu, no, not Harishu. What's happening with me? Hari, Nam, okay. Harau, Hariyo, Harishu, He, Hare, He, Hari, He, Haraya. Okay, let's do something now. So, Vishnu Sahasranam Prabhuji, make a sentence with the word. Okay, I'll also change the word. Kavi. Kavi means a poet, or Kavi can also refer to an intellectual person. Kavi. Kavi 5.1. Okay, Kavi 5.1. Make a sentence where you use Kavi 5.1. So the fifth ending is used for source, like from. 5.1 Kavi. You can take your time, think. Janita Prabhuji. So your word is Rishi, and you have to make a sentence using Rishi Shabda in in 6.3. 6.3. Mataji, for you, the word is um, uh, the word is let's say Rashmi. Rashmi. Rashmi means the sun rays, the rays, Rashmi, Kiran. And you have to make a sentence using the word Rashmi in 3.1. 3.1. Yeah. So think of something. You can also give me a word first. I can make a sentence just for reference if you want to. Jaradha.
Hare Krishna. Am I audible?
Yes, Mataji?
Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Uh, uh, the sentence is Chandraha Rashmina Manushan Ahladayati.
Chandraha Rashmina what?
Chandraha Rashmina Manushan Ahladayati.
Okay, good. Chandraha Rashmina Manushyan Ahladayati. So the moon pleases the people, the humans, by a ray, like single Rashmina. Okay.
हरेः दया अस्ति.
So compassion comes from Hari, like that.
Yes.
Okay, I mean then you can say Agachati. Agachati. Mercy is from Krishna. Okay, I mean that is also fine. Hare. Okay.
And this one, हरेः पुस्तकं पतति.
That will be 6.1.
Hmm.
The book of Hari is falling.
Hmm.
In fifth ending, you can make more like proper sentences. Something like um, from Hari comes the world, you know, the world comes from Hari, like, Amit. So, sansarah harehe agachati,
आगच्छति हाँ.
just to make it simple, just to keep it simple. And or nissarati, nissarati, nisrita, nissarati, and like that. Okay, Janita Prabhuji.
Rishinam Badati.
Rishinam what?
Rishinam Badati.
What does that mean?
Uh, Rishinam of Rishinam Badati.
Speaking of Rishinam Vadati, what? I mean, it doesn't match. What do you want to say? You can say in English first. What do you wish to say, Prabhu? In English, you can say.
So basically, this is the sixth case is kind of a relationship, correct?
Relation between two nouns.
Relationship between two nouns.
Yeah, not noun and verb. Rishinam Vadati doesn't go with each other.
So Rishi
You have to bring some noun like Rishinam. Let's say Rishinam Gunam Vadati. You know, let's say Ramaha Rishinam Gunam Vadati. Rama is speaking about the quality of the sages.
Okay.
So you have to bring in one more direct noun which connects with the verb.
Rishinam Bhagavatah Badati.
Rishinam Bhagavata Vadati.
They were speaking about Bhagavat.
No. See, sixth Shashti Vibhakti is not representing subject or doer. If you want to say that the rishis are speaking Bhagavatam, then you have to use the Prathama Vibhakti, the first standing. So you have to say Rishi or Rishaya according to the numbers. So Rishayaha Bhagavatam Vadanti. Then it will go like that, 1.3. So you have to understand those karakas, subject, object. What represents what? Okay. Okay, so we're done with Hari Shabda. So please complete the declension of this practice and memorize this Hari table. So we'll stop here. And the sutras for the next week are so from 125 till 133. Someone can also mention it in the group. So sutras for memorization for the next week. I'm not giving much. So from 125 till 133. From 125 till 133. Actually, yeah, I think that's fine. 125 till 133. Yeah, you can also write for memorization, for the next week. Okay, so Hari Shabda, please complete the declension. I mean, I don't know how you're practicing, but when I was studying, so the rule was we used to have notebooks and we used to write declensions, like we used to write sutras and the form, sutra and the form and everything. It will help in retention. So, and then when the declension is complete, then we used to make the table from memory by ourselves. Yeah.
So can we check with the sandhis that you had given yesterday?
You're done? I mean, I mentioned that we'll discuss in next week. If you're done, then yes, why not?
Yeah.
So let me open it. Sure. That was text second or third? That was third. Yes, here it is. So for you, which section did you do? I mean,
From starting from the last section,
the Cast Trianga, right?
cast triangle.
So if you've written somewhere, you can send on the group. I'll share in the screen here.
Okay. Yes, sir. So basically, can you check whether the correction is there or not?
Okay, what I will do here and then you cross check. Okay. I'll do on the screen and then you can match. So okay, so ka stri anga, then te kalapada amrita venu gite. So te is nothing. Kalapada amrita venu gite. There is no sandhi.
Prabhuji,
Okay, there is sandhi. Yeah, there is a sandhi. Venu Geeta and then ityadi. So iti adi
Prabhuji,
vakshavanat.
Amrita, there is no, this is Vishnu Sarga.
No, there is no Vishnu Sarga there. Amrita is in between. That's a compound, samas. So only Amrita.
The Amrita after or before Venu.
No, that's a samas, Prabhu. That's a compound. There can not be any visarga inside a compound, inside a samas.
Okay.
Then tatra madhuratvam manoharanaya no sandhi. I mean, Madhuratvam, of course, that Mohishnu Chakram Vishnu Jana is there. Madhuratvam. Same with Asputatvam. Sarvasam api tasam swaswanamamaya twadi. So, swa namamaya mayatva and then adi. Brahmaya no sandhi anesham venuvadyam idamiti no sandhi. Vishesha, yeah, and then Vishesha Anavadharanaya. Anavadharanaya. I was actually reading this today very interestingly. So when Krishna, played his flute, uh, when he wished to do rasa with the gopis, so he played his Madhura Venu, enchanting and charming flute. And it also says Asputatvam. And that sound of the flute was asputa, it was unclear. So there are two reasons why he played intentionally unclear flute. One was swaswa nama maya tvadi brahmaya, so that each sakhi, each gopi would think that Krishna is calling to me only. You know, so that was one reason. And second is Annesham Venu Vadyamiti Vishesh Anavadharanaya. So that they do not mistake the playing of flute to be done by someone else. So these are the two reasons why Krishna played that unclear flute. So because I mean I've heard Balramji also knows how to play flute. Even Lord Balram knows how to play flute. And we all know Balram Rasyatra also is there, Balram also does Ras with his own set of gopis. So, I mean, that will be a heavy mistake, right? If Balram is playing his flute and Krishna's gopis come or something. So, so, so I mean, just by that Venunad, Krishna can actually call, like those specific persons, gopis, whom he want to be. So what a method of communication. Okay, then nanu madhuratvena katham sarvesham. Then sarvesham eva akarshanam. Sarvesham eva akarshanam na abhut. Na abhut. Tatra aha. So if you are getting stuck, especially while identifying the verbs, so that's fine because you have not done verbs yet. So that's fine, like this abhut, ah, and so on.
So
Uh,
in Sarvesham,
huh?
in Sarvesham basically, Sarva plus Isham.
No,
Why?
no. That is actually 6.3. That is pronoun. This is one word. Sarvesham means of all. Like Harinam means of all Haris, of many Haris. Krishna Nam means of many Krishnas, 6.3. So Sarvesham is a pronoun, 6.3, which means of everyone, of all. So that's one word. Then Vama, Drisham, Tadrisha Bhavatinam Eva Manoharam. In Manoharam, it is actually Manaha Haram. Like if we even break that down, Manaha Haram. Yatha Syat Tatha Iti. Tatheti, so that is Tatha Iti. And Adi Rasa Matra. Matra and Uddipanam. Matra Uddipana. Uddipanam. Raga Vishesham Jagavitya. So that last one is Jagau Iti Artha. So that was your part. Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Anyone else? If you did your part, otherwise we can discuss in the next week. So see, the more you practice, the more proficient you will become. Otherwise, you'll forget everything. Take it for granted. So practice more.
Prabhuji,
Even if, uh-huh.
Prabhuji, what did you say about you had said something about whether it comes in between, then it's not Sandhi, samas. I mean, what you used the word samas, the compound words.
Yeah.
Like,
So inside a compound word, see, compound words meaning word. Let's say Krishnasya Bhaktah, it means devotee of Krishna. So when we join two or more words into one single word, then it becomes a compound. So Krishna se Bhakta, if we join it and make it into one word, it will become Krishna Bhakta. So what happens is, in a compound, only the last word can take ending. The words, like this second last word, or the words what do you say? Purva Pada. Like the first word, they can never take ending. They can only stay in their original Prakriti form, root form. So we don't have any Vishnu Sarga in any root form, in any noun, right?
yeah. So we have some words like which have hyphen, like in this loga Kalapadamrita Venu Gita. So
Uh-huh.
in English, so I'm seeing the English version. In the English, it is given hyphen. So what does the hyphen mean?
Yeah, hyphen is put just to indicate that it's a compound word and they are not separate words. Yeah. So this in BBT books also, you will see this hyphen inside a compound. And then also that English version also. So this hyphen is used to indicate that it's a compound word, a samasa. Like Bhagavad Gita is this Bhagavad hyphen Gita, because Bhagavad Gita also is a compound word. Bhagavad Gita also, they are not two separate words, they are also compounded into one word. Bhagavad Gita is one word.
But
Unlike that.
but in Bhagavad Gita, this Bhagavat, it becomes Sandhi, Bhagavat. And
Yeah. Sandhi can happen inside a compound.
Okay.
Yeah, Sarva Prakarana Vyapi. Sandhi is all pervasive. Sandhi can happen anywhere. That is allowed. Okay. So complete your Hari table and whatever, if anything pending from the previous sutras, tables, words, and the next week we'll move onwards. Hare Krishna.
Hare
Hare
And happy
Krishna.
Gaur Purnima, happy Holi.
Yeah.
So we'll send virtual colors on each other. We'll send virtual messages, virtual everything virtual. So happy virtual Holi, happy virtual Gaur Purnima. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.